Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an open first move ballroom turn or an open ballroom turn depending upon who you talk to as to how many words you'd bother to put in. It's really useful. You already know how to do an open first move and a first move ballroom turn. This is one of those things that this little extra step to it makes the technique for making it work harder to do, so you want to be really comfortable with those two moves before you go for this variation. And this variation looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So let's break it down. It starts off just like a first move. We go back, we come in, and then we do an open first move twist out, which means we're going to let go with that front hand. The guys could connect to the near shoulder with the right hand if you want to make it really open, but my recommendation, certainly while you're learning, is to go for the far shoulder blade with the right hand, and the ladies need to go a really strong connection onto it. So what that means is the guys increase their tone, the ladies can feel the increase in tone, and as the guy increases their tone, the ladies push harder into the connection. So ladies, it's got to feel like you're pushing back onto the guy's arm. Left hand for the ladies, down onto the shoulder, nice firm contact, and squeeze down with the elbow, which is also going to give you a stronger connection on that back arm. And guys, weight the back foot, and then it's just the same footwork as a normal ballroom turn. So guys cutting across, bringing the lady with you, stepping back with the right turning, and the ladies want to be pushing back into that right shoulder, really almost as if they're trying to get a twist out. Guys cutting across again, open out again, and then we do get the twist out, and it finishes as a standard open first move. So we come in, spin, catch, return, and back. Let's do it again from the other side. It's not very different, and we'll give you the numbers. So it goes back 1, in 2, open and connect 3, then we take 2 steps, 4, 2 steps, 5, twisting out 6, those steps are all even by the way, and then in, prepare 7, spin 8, catch 1, return 2, and back 3. So let's have a go together. It goes 5, 6, open ballroom turn. We go a back, in, open, turn, turn, twist, in, spin, catch, return, and back. We've done the standard one. You could put more oomph into it and straighten it out into a line, or you could go around more times, or you could go around slower. You could go half time and really kind of gentle it up. All of those things work. So basically all the things you could do with the ballroom turn, you could do with the open ballroom turn. Okay. Hope you enjoy that. Hope you find it useful and nice to use out on the dance floor. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell so you'll know every time a new video comes out. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.